Good morning, everyone. In today's session, we will be discussing linear ODEs of second order. A second order ODE is called linear if it can be written as y double prime plus p of x y prime plus q of x y equal to r of x, and non-linear if it cannot be written in this form. So the feature of this equation is it is linear in y and its derivative. And p of x, q of x, r of x can be any function of x. Suppose if you are having a coefficient for y double prime, we can divide throughout by that and make it into the standard form. So this is the standard form of a linear ODE of second order, where the coefficient of y double prime is 1. Now we can classify the linear ODEs into two. First one is homogeneous and the second one non-homogeneous. So the classification is based on the right hand side function r of x. If r of x is equal to 0, we call it homogeneous, and if r of x not equal to 0, we call it non-homogeneous linear ODE. So let's take some examples. Example 1, y double prime plus 25y equal to e raised to minus x cos x. You can see that this is a linear ODE of second order with r of x equal to e raised to minus x cos x. R of x is non-zero, so this is an example of non-homogeneous linear ODE. Non-homogeneous linear ODE of second order. Suppose you are having xy double prime plus y prime plus xy equal to 0. This is a linear ODE with r of x equal to 0. So this is a homogeneous linear ODE. But this is not in the standard form. So in order to make it into the standard form, divide throughout by x. You will get y double prime plus 1 by x y prime plus y equal to 0. So this is a homogeneous linear ODE of second order in its standard form. Now let's move to the superposition principle. Superposition principle. So suppose you are having a homogeneous linear ODE, homogeneous linear ODE, and suppose homogeneous linear ODE, and let's say y1 and y2 are the solutions of the second order linear ODE, homogeneous linear ODE, then the general solution is given by C1 y1 plus C2 y2. That is, any combination of the solution y1 and y2 will be a solution for the same homogeneous linear ODE. Now, if they are linearly independent, that means that if y1 and y2 are not a constant multiple, or y1 by y2 is not a constant, then we say that y1 and y2 are linearly independent. And the linearly independent solutions of a homogeneous linear ODE is called a basis. They are forming a basis for the general solution. Now we have another method to check whether two solutions are linearly independent, that is using Wronskian. So I'll define what do you mean by Wronskian. Suppose let's say you have the solutions y1, y2. In order to check whether they are linearly independent, we can say the Wronskian is given by y1, determinant of y1, y2, y1 dash, derivative of y2. If Wronskian, if this determinant is equal to 0, then we say that y1 and y2 are linearly dependent, That means that they are a constant multiple of each other. Y1 and y2 are constant multiple of each other. If Wronskian is not equal to 0, then we can conclude that the two solutions y1 and y2 are linearly independent. Linearly independent. That's all. Thank you.